this year you shouldn't be caught not being able to make small chops. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken samosa filling. It is pretty very much easy, and I'm going to be listing all the ingredients in the description box. So we are going to start by blending our chicken breast. Okay, I just chop that in a smaller bites, and I'm just going to blend with my food processor. Okay, you want to make sure you blend till it is very smooth. Once you've blended, then it's time to fry. Okay, so you're going to heat up your pan and add your vegetable oil. I used 2 types of vegetable oil, okay, which is the vegetable oil we all know and sesame oil. Okay, just for that extra flavor. And you want to put in your diced onions and garlic. Very, very important. Garlic takes this to a whole new level. I always mention in my videos, I always use garlic for almost everything. Trust me, guys, it is one ingredient you don't want to miss out when cooking. So I added in my already blended chicken breast, and I'm just going to have to spread that, okay, so that it would fry. And one thing again is you want to be very careful with your oil. Don't put in too much oil. You are not deep frying, you are stir frying. Okay, so it's better to add your oil bit by bit as you think you need, than when the oil is too much. Okay, so you want to keep frying till you see that it is getting white. It's no longer pink in color. Okay, so you have to keep frying. You have to fry very well before adding in other spices. Okay, so I went in with my curry powder, my thyme, and my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, I'm just gonna stir, let that mix well, and still keep frying on low to medium heat. It shouldn't be too high, so just adjust the heat. Okay, you stir. This is stir frying. You just have to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Okay, then you also go ahead and add in your seasoning. I added in my Knorr seasoning cubes, my chicken seasoning cubes. Okay, and I'm just gonna stir again and keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. You see the way and I used the wooden spoon, okay, so it doesn't burn. So this is well fried, and I'm just going to be dividing the chicken because I used some for chicken spring rolls. So I'm just removing some parts of the chicken and leaving the rest in the frying pan, and keep on frying and adding my carrots. Okay, this was a little bit mixed with cabbage, which wasn't intentional, so please skip the cabbage part and just add in carrots, shredded carrots. So I added in my carrots. I went ahead and added in my sweet corn, and I'm just gonna stir and make sure that is well incorporated, and adjust for seasoning. You can taste it and adjust for seasoning. Okay, if you feel you need more, you can adjust. So I added in my bell peppers as well. So I added in my red and yellow bell peppers, and you can add your green bell peppers, any color of bell peppers of your choice. Okay, I added in my green peas as well, as you can see, and I'm just gonna keep stirring. I added in my spring onions last because spring onions can get soft easily, like very, very, so add it in last. And this is just corn flour and water, a mixture of corn flour and water, and the reason for that is just to make everything join together, like bind together, okay, so that it's not separated, and keep stirring. And at this point your chicken samosa filling is ready. You can see it is very much ready, and I'm just going to put this in a sieve so that it can drain any excess oil. Okay, you do not want to make sure that there's oil in your filling. to drain it properly so it doesn't affect your wraps. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.